Hello, I'm Joe from LEDLENSER, and today I'd like to show you the key features of our most popular head torch range, the H Series. With the H Series, you'll notice that the low-profile lamp head is located up front and the power supply at the back. This means these head torches are perfectly balanced and really comfortable to wear. Today I'd like to show you three head torches from the range, the H3.2 and the rechargeable H7R.2 and H14R.2. Let's take a closer look at the entry-level H3.2. The H3.2 weighs only 133 grams and benefits from a low-profile lamp head. It offers 120 lumens in power mode and can be seamlessly dimmed to just 5 lumens via the regulator located on the battery pack. It's powered by 3 AAA alkaline batteries. As with all H-series head torches, the lamp head can be angled so that you can adjust the beam to the perfect position for different use cases. So now let's move on to the H7R.2. It's the most popular head torch in the H-series range and offers 300 lumens in boost mode. Like the H3.2, the headlamp is adjustable and the light can be dimmed seamlessly via the regulator on the power pack. With the H7R.2, the regulator housing is illuminated and serves as a rear safety light. It's powered by a state-of-the-art lithium-ion polymer rechargeable battery pack. The integrated charge indicator changes from red to green when the battery is fully charged. It can also run on 4 AAA alkaline batteries. The H7R.2 is equipped with a useful transportation lock to avoid the head torch getting accidentally switched on. To activate and deactivate the lock, you simply press and hold the front switch for 5 seconds. Finally, let's take a look at the H14R.2. This is effectively a more powerful version of the H7R.2 and benefits from all of the same innovative features. It offers a class-leading 1000 lumens in boost mode and an amazing runtime of up to 35 hours in low power mode. It uses a lithium-ion battery pack with a capacity of 4,400 milliamps. When fully charged via micro USB, the rear light changes from red to green. The H14R.2 comes with an extension cable, so you have the flexibility to store your battery pack elsewhere, for example in your pocket or a backpack. Like the H7R.2, the lamp head is adjustable. It's dimmable. It has the same rear safety light and a transportation lock. So as you can see, with the H Series we have a complete range of high-end head torches covering almost every use case. And for your peace of mind, as with all LEDLENSER products, the H Series is backed by our industry-leading 7-year warranty when registered. To see the H Series and all of our other lighting solutions, please visit our website.